2265 for Air 2. Last GPS update is on Fallon Crescent, Foxtrot Echo Lima Alpha November Crescent.
Okay, that's ironic. It's a dead end here and it's just parked and we have two people getting out.
Watch gate, we've got them in the driveway. Give you an address here. It's going to be 23. They're going to run. There we go.
Foot pursuit towards the backyard, hopping fences, running northbound. And Air 2, my guy's running back into the backyard, actually in the same direction that he came from, so he's now running southbound. Okay, he's going to hide around the shed there. Okay, they got the guy. He's back there at 17.
Here you won Air 2, one in custody. Is the second guy around?
10-6, if you can locate us, on the track. 36, you got a location. Yeah, 3 got him in custody.
Oh!
Nice.
He's in there.
10-4, just confirming that second suspect.
If K9 confirms our second guy's outstanding, that's all we had that we were looking for. Great work.
Yeah, K9, it's got to be our guy. He's just being picked up right now. I'll advise the address.